Hello children, welcome to you in the bio class. Children, you studied genetics is the branch of biology that deals with the study of heredity and variation. Heredity is the transmission of genetically based characters from parents to the offsprings, and variations or the differences between the organisms, differences by which progeny differ from their parents. So these are the variations. So children, you have to study heredity and variations both in genetics. Father of genetics is Gregor John Mendel. Gregor John Mendel performed a large number of experiments on pea plants. After the experiment, he deduced his observation to mathematical laws. And these laws are called Mendel's laws of inheritance or Mendelism. So children, Gregor John Mendel is considered as father of genetics. So why is considered as father of genetics? Because he was the first scientist who performed a large number of experiments on pea plants, and he deduced his observation to mathematical laws. And these laws are called Mendel's law of inheritance, or these laws are called Mendelianism. Mendel conducted hybridization experiments for 7 years, taking the Pygium sativum pea plant, and he studied 7 pairs of contrasting traits in pea plant. Gregor John Mendel is considered as father of genetics. But children, you have to know about the life of Mendel. Mendel was born on 22nd July 1822 in Hagendorf, a village in Sudeten region of Silesia in Austria. So Mendel was born in Austria. Mendel was influenced by nature since his childhood. He received his school education in a monastery in Brunn. Mendel wanted to be a teacher and certified teacher, but he failed in the examination of teaching certificate. He could not be teacher. But what experiment he did and what he discovered that made him teacher of all teachers. Mendel performed many experiments, that hybridization experiments, taking the pea plant. So he worked on golden pea, Pygium sativum, and after conducting the experiments, he proposed the law of inheritance in living organisms on the basis of observation which he got from the hybridization experiments. He was successful in giving the laws of inheritance because he was the first scientist who recorded statistical analysis and used mathematical logic to explain the transmission of characters from one generation to another generation. His experiments had a large sampling size, which gave greater credibility to the data. The result from his data pointed to general rules of inheritance rather than on specific character. Children, he selected 7 pairs of contrasting traits in pea plant. As he took the seed shape, round, wrinkled, color of seed, yellow, green, color of flower, violet, white, shape of pod, inflated, constricted, color of pod, green, yellow, position of flower, axial, terminal, and height of stem, tall, dwarf. So taking the 7 pairs of contrasting characters, he conducted hybridization experiment, and he was successful in his experiment. But when he published his work, so his work was ignored at that time. Most probably the reason why his work was ignored at that time, because he published his work in an obscure journal. The communication was not easy in those days, and his work could not be widely publicized. Scientists failed to notice his work because at that time the scientific world was busy in the controversy arisen by Darwin's theory of origin of species. So when Gregor John Mendel published his experiment on plant hybridization, at that time the famous scientists of the world were busy in the controversy arisen by Darwin's theory of origin of species. Therefore, many scientists ignored the work of Mendel. Idea of Mendel was ahead of his time. because at that time cytological basis of heredity was not studied. His concept of factor, he told the character is controlled by the factor. So his concept of factor as a stable and discrete unit that control the expression of traits. Mendel's approach of using mathematics to explain biological phenomena was totally new, and therefore it was not accepted by many biologists of his time. So, what was the Mendel's work? That was remarkable, but unfortunately, when he published his work, then in 1866, at that time, it was ignored by the scientists of that time. But Mendel's work was remained unnoticed for about 34 years, and after 34 years, Karl Marx, after 34 years, that is 16 years of his death, near about in 1900, Mendel's work came to light when three other eminent biologists, Karl Corens of Germany, Hugo de Vries of Netherlands, and Erich von Schermark of Austria, worked independently, and they rediscovered the Mendelian principles. They rediscovered the Mendelian principle. It means they got the same result which Mendel got 34 years before. So, Mendel's work was recognized at that time, and Mendel was awarded by the Nobel Prize, and Mendel was considered from that times as father of genetics. So children, I told about Mendel's law of inheritance and Mendel's life. Mendel's worked on Gordon P. Python sativum. Mendel observed 7 pairs of contrasting characters in the pea plant, and on the basis of the observation of his experiment, he had formulated 3 laws. That laws are called Mendel's laws of inheritance. That 3 laws are law of dominance, law of segregation or law of purity of gametes, and law of independent assortment.